So what girl doesn't love diamonds, right? I love my diamonds too, but I put them away and opted for this sterling silver white diamond wedding band by Jeulia. Ever since Jeulia introduced me to their wedding series, their wedding bands, my husband and I have worn nothing but these bands. So my husband bought me the classic solitaire engagement ring that was a diamond, and then I got a simple band to wear with that, and I wore that for many years. And then he and I went to St. Thomas, which is arguably the world capital for diamonds, and we found a beautiful pear-shaped diamond, and it was on a really high setting, and I loved it. Fell in love with it, and the price was unbeatable, so we purchased it. Within a couple of months after that, I stopped into a store and one of the ladies at the counter said, "Oh, I love your diamond ring," and she had really long fingernails. She went to touch the diamond ring and the diamond wiggled within the setting. I freaked out because if she hadn't done that, I was liable to have lost that diamond out of that setting very easily, and I would have been heartbroken. So I immediately took it off, took it to the jeweler. They reset the diamond, but they said, you know, you're probably going to have these issues again because it's such a high pressure setting on that diamond. And I thought, well, you know, I'm just going to have to search for an alternative. Lucky Jeulia came into my life about that time, and they make the most fantastic, realistic, wonderful looking wedding rings. So if you're out there and you're looking at getting married, or you have an anniversary coming up, or you just want to simply replace your diamonds with something a little more affordable and reliable that looks good every time, I beg you to take a look at what Jeulia Jewelry has to offer. So they sent me 2 rings to review for you today. So let's take a look at this one. I am absolutely over the moon. I found my new size. For some reason, over the years, my fingers have shrank, and I think it's just because of volume loss. Same thing that happens in your face and the rest of your body as you age. So I went from a size 6 to a size 5.5 because I found that that size 6 was twirling around my finger and getting a little bit loose. So I did order a 5.5 this time. This is the Jeulia 3-piece marquee cut sterling silver white diamond wedding set. It is beautiful. It's a 3-piece design. So the 2 flanking pieces on either side. So that middle marquee cut stone is about 1.6 carat. And then flanking on these additional bands is about 110 additional white diamond Jeulia stones. It's made from that 925 sterling silver, which is a high-grade sterling. It's very easy to take care of. I don't do anything special to take care of my sterling rings, and I really don't worry about them, even through washings and things. Putting on makeup, I'm always wearing it, and it seems like it just continues to glisten like a real diamond. It's got a nice clarity to it on those synthetic white diamond stones. Now this one retails about $139, and that's before you use my discount. If you decide to order from Jeulia, don't forget to use my discount code, which is good for 15% off of your order. It's TERRAZ15. I'll put it up here on the screen. Also, look below the video. There's a lot of different links. You can explore all of the Jeulia items, their wedding sets, all of the pricing is there, and you can also find these individual pieces that I'm reviewing for you today. So let's take a look at the piece that I ordered for my husband. It's in a titanium steel band. It's a 2-tone color, and I want to show you the packaging that it comes in. So this is your traditional Jeulia box, and it has a gold embossed or a silver embossment there, and it's kind of a black tie box. It's very sturdy, and you always get a little gift bag in case it is for a gift, a little Jeulia catalog, how to take care of your jewelry, and they also have warranties along with their jewelry, a full year's warranty, and free shipping over $99. So again, this one cost about $139, and that is before the discount code. So my husband's ring is about $59, and I made him take it off and let me show it today. But don't worry, I have pictures. So this is what it looks like in the box. Okay, so there's that 2-tone titanium, and the 2-tone is black with a gold embossed circle around it. Also, the inside is made from that gold as well. Now you can get this engraved as well. Both of these items are engravable, and they have a lot of different options for sizing, anywhere from a child size all the way up through a very large 15. Oh, my husband loves it. He did not want to take it off. The one that he has been wearing is also from Jeulia, and it looks like it's a very masculine band. It has a tire tread type pattern on it, but he really loves the elegance and the rich look of this two-tone band here. So I'm going to put up a picture to show you, and this is just our hands nestled together, showing both of our rings. Like I say, we're not fancy people. I don't do fingernails and all that kind of thing, but a nice band is really something special. And my husband just wears a band. He doesn't wear any other rings and absolutely loves this piece. Be sure to check out the Jeulia items in all of the links below, especially the wedding bands. We've got wedding season coming up, anniversary season coming up, and you will not be disappointed with the look and the quality, the pricing, and the wearability of these Jeulia wedding band pieces. Oh my goodness, before I forget, I need to tell you about this hair, because on this channel, we're all wig lovers, right? This is Chris by YTony Of Beverly, the perfect little pixie, in the color Rooted Champagne. I do have a full review out there on this one, and I ordered this in several more colors. If that video isn't up yet, I'll be posting it soon, because this is going to be my favorite pixie of the summer. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon, right back here at TAZSWIGCLOSET.